this was a bit of a surprise. So I popped the race out, and I, you know, obviously took the bearing and the seal out in one fell swoop. And as I was kind of looking at it before I had it all cleaned up, I thought, damn, what is this? Did I not get the whole seal out? Anyway, so I took a look at it, and this thing obviously spun. It's kind of thicker at the bottom right here than at the top where I was just showing you. And yeah, it looks like this had some serious negative camber, not because of suspension adjustments, but it looked like maybe the hub had walked out of the carrier, because you can see the damage right here. And yeah, it's seen some roughness. So yeah, right there. But again, that area isn't really touched. It's just full of grease. um, the seat for the race seemed to be fine, and it did seal, with the JB Weld. I'm kind of, yeah, you can see that big gouge right there. Yeah, I don't know what the, yeah, not good. But again, it doesn't really matter because that's just filled with grease. So there it is, the JB Weld fix. Normally I wouldn't use it, but I'm kind of a time crunch because the Jaguar Club people want their tools back, and I probably should look for a new one, or should I just try to reuse one? I'm open for opinions and words.